Ox for eating tree, songbirds, phonics, the ox and the yak. On the back of an ox sat a man with a box, and in the man's box was a bag of old socks. On the back of a yak sat a man with a pack, and in the man's pack was a duck with a quack. The man on the ox met the man with the duck, and he said, "In this box is a bag of good luck." The man had a chat, and the duck got a hit. It was one of the socks from the bag in the box. Then the man on the ox sang a very long song, and the man on the yak hit a very big gong. The yak did a jig, and so did the ox, and the duck had some fun with the bag of old socks. Then the duck said, "Quack, quack," and the two men went back, "Quack, quack." On the back of the ox and the back of the yak. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Jasmine Vlogs. Bye bye. See you soon inshallah next video.